Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to buy e-Pass online. We will also put useful links for your vehicle in the description below. To start, open the website xway.com. Then click on e-Pass. A drop-down list will then appear. There you'll see an option for Get e-Pass. Click on Get e-Pass. On this page, scroll down and you'll see the list of e-passes. E-Pass sticker is free, Uni, and Uni Black both worth $14.95 plus tax, and College Pass is $18.50 plus tax. In this case, we're going to select e-Pass sticker. Click on the Get Started button under the kind of e-Pass you wish to buy. Before you proceed, select whether you're a new customer or an existing customer. If you're an existing customer, you could proceed logging into your account. But if you're also a new customer, you can create an e-Pass account on this page. First, enter the username, password, and email address you wish to use. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your contact information such as your first name, last name, complete address, primary phone number, driver's license number and state, as well as the PIN number. After entering, click on the tick box to accept and agree to the e-Pass user agreement. Then click on Continue. Now for the payment, enter first your license plate and select the state. Then select a payment method, either a credit card or bank payment. After selecting, enter the details of your selected payment method. Once done, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on Submit. That's how you buy e-Pass online. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.